नमस्कार, म अम्बिका हाङबाङ अंग्रेजी सिकाइ रेडियो कार्यक्रममा यहाँहरूलाई स्वागत छ। चैत 11 गते यता देश लकडाउनमा छ। सायद हाम्रो दैनिकी फेरिएकी होला। लकडाउनलाई समस्याको रूपमा मात्र नलियौं, विभिन्न माध्यमबाट शिक्षा हासिल गर्ने अवसरको रूपमा पनि प्रयोग गरौं, हुन्छ हैन? ल त विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनी हो, अब रेडियो सेटको नजिक आउनुहोस् है। यो अंग्रेजी सिकाइ रेडियो कार्यक्रम हरेक दिन रेडियो तमोर 102 मेगाहर्जमा साँझ 36 बजेदेखि 7 बजेसम्म र रेडियो आठराई 101.2 मेगाहर्जमा बिहान 7 बजेदेखि 7:30 बजेसम्म सुन्न सक्नुहुनेछ। नोटबुक, कलम, पाठ्यपुस्तक र रेकर्ड गर्न मिल्ने सामग्री तयारी अवस्थामा राख्नु भएकै होला, होइन? यदि छैन भने तयार गर्दै गर्नुहोस् ल। आजको बसाइमा अनिवार्य अंग्रेजी विषय अन्तर्गत कक्षा 10 को ग्रामर अर्थात् व्याकरण अन्तर्गत पास्ट टेन्स अर्थात् भूतकालको बारेमा चर्चा गर्नेछौँ। विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू तयार हुनुहुन्छ हैन?
I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Singular or plural noun?
Subject plus verb to plus object.
ल त विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू ढिला नगरी आजको बसाइको उठान गरिहालौं। प्रस्तुति सहित आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ सीता निरौला। अब कक्षा कोठामै प्रवेश गरौं, हुन्छ नि?
Hello students, Namaskar and welcome back. It's me, Sita Nirula, present here to facilitate past tense from grade 10 grammar book. As you know that we had already learned present tense in our previous class. So in today's class we will be learning past tense. अंग्रेजी सिकाइ रेडियो कार्यक्रममा प्यारा विद्यार्थीहरूलाई स्वागत छ। सदाझै आज पनि म सीता निरौला हजुरहरूको सामु कक्षा 10 को अनिवार्य अंग्रेजी अन्तर्गत व्याकरणबाट पास्ट टेन्स भूतकाल विषय लिएर उपस्थित भइसकेको छु। So I think all of you are ready, aren't you?
Yes, miss, we are.
Without delaying, let's begin the chapter. But before starting, write down the questions and try to solve it on your own. सुरु गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि केही प्रश्नहरू आफ्नो कापीमा लेख्नुहोला अनि यसको उत्तर खोज्ने प्रयास गर्नुहोला है। Change the following sentence as indicated. 1. They have pulled down the old cottages. Simple past. He has built a luxury hotel. Past continuous. You cut down the trees. Into past perfect. I am writing a book on grammar. Past perfect continuous. Past tense यानी कि भूतकाल। यसका 4 वटा पक्षहरू हुन्छन्। There are 4 branches of past tense. Can you name them?
Yes, miss, they are simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense.
Very good. Past tense is used to talk about the action completed in the past. Past tense ले हिजोको वा बितिसकेको समय वा क्रियाकलापलाई बुझाउँदछ. Now let's read it in detail. Simple past tense. Now I am going to read some sentences. Listen carefully and notice the use of simple past tense. On Saturday, I was so tired that I slept all morning. When I woke up, I had a headache and my throat was sore. My nose ran and I coughed a lot. My mother took my temperature. In the above given text, the verbs are in simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to describe the completed actions in the past. Simple past tense अतीतमा पुरा भएको कार्यहरू वर्णन गर्न प्रयोग हुन्छ. Now, can you tell the structure of simple past tense?
Yes, miss. Subject plus verb to plus object.
Very good. Subject plus verb to plus object. For example, I drank juice. Here, drink, D-R-A-N-K. Drink is the second form or verb to form of the verb drink. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Singular or plural noun. All use the verb to form of the verb. Now, the uses of simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to denote an action completed in the past. Example, Manu's father died of cancer last year. It is also used to express past habits. Example, we went to temple every day. It means we are not going to temple now, but we went to temple every day. That is already finished action. To express the historic events. Example, Devkota wrote Muna Madan. It is also used with when clause. Example, when the bell rang, the teacher entered into the classroom.
Miss, it is also used with the following adverbials like yesterday, ago, last night, last week, last day, last month, last year, century, in the past, when, while, until, before, after, once, as soon as, 3 days ago, long time ago, a few minutes ago, etc.
Yes, you are right. Simple past tense is used with adverbials like yesterday, ago, last night, last week, last day, last month, last year, century, in the past, when, while, until, before, after, once, as soon as, 3 days ago, long time ago, a few minutes ago, etc. For example, we saw an elephant yesterday. They visited zoo last year. Now, let's proceed further. Listen few sentences carefully. Many people were sitting by the water. A band was playing music on the stage. They were listening the music. Can you please tell me in which tense the sentences belong to?
I think past continuous tense.
Right guess. Past continuous tense describes the things that were happening or existing for a period of time without interruption in the past. So, can you tell its structure now?
Yes, miss. Its structure is subject plus was, were plus buffer plus object.
Right answer. The structure of past continuous tense is subject plus was, were plus buffer plus object. Now, if in the subject there is we, you, they or plural nouns, we say we were, you were, they were, the boys were. And if there is I, he, she, it or singular nouns in the subject, we use was, like I was, he was, she was, it was, the boy was. Past continuous tense is used to denote an action going at some time in the past. Example, he was washing clothes all the morning. Past continuous tense is also used to refer to a temporary situation in the past. For example, Rita was living with her uncle. It is also used with while clause. Example, the phone rang while I was eating rice. It often occurs with all plus past time, like all day yesterday, all last night, at this time yesterday, at this moment yesterday. Example, I was traveling by plane at this time yesterday. Did you understand?
Yes, miss, we did.
Okay, read the given sentences.
We had completed most of our work. My aunt had made 2 pieces of pie of dessert. I had peeled carrots and potatoes. The above sentence expresses an action done or finished in a period in the past, don't they?
Yes, you're right. Past perfect tense is the form of a verb that expresses the action or the activity already finished in the past. So, the structure for this tense is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Either it is singular or plural noun or pronoun. In the place of subject, we use had plus verb 3 for all. Like I had, we had, she had, it had, they had, you had, he had plus verb 3. Past perfect tense is used to denote an action completed before a certain moment in the past. Example, I had seen him last 3 years before. It is used to show the two actions happened in the past earlier than the other. Example, the boy went home after he had completed homework. The boy had completed homework before he went home. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is the form of the verb that expresses an action that started somewhere in the past and was continuing up at some point of time in the past. For example, she had been trying to get him on the phone. When I came here 2 years ago, he had been working there for 6 months. So, today we learned the forms of past tense. Can you repeat them with structure?
Yes, miss. Simple past tense. Subject plus verb to plus object. Past continuous tense. Subject plus was, were plus verb plus object. Past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had been plus verb 4 plus object.
Now, let's repeat their uses once again. Simple past tense is used to simple past को प्रयोग विगतमा समाप्त भएको कार्यलाई बुझाउन, विगतका बानीहरू व्यक्त गर्न, ऐतिहासिक घटनाहरू व्यक्त गर्न, with when clause. When clause सँग सामान्य भूतकाल प्रयोग गरिन्छ. Likewise, use of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense को प्रयोग विगतमा केही समयमा भएको कार्यलाई दर्शाउन, विगतको अस्थायी स्थितिलाई सान्दर्भिकता गर्न. with while clause. while clause सँग र it often occurs with all plus past time. all plus past time like all day yesterday, all last night, at this time yesterday, at this moment. all पछिको past टाइमहरू last night, day, time, at this moment आयो भने पनि हामी यो past continuous को प्रयोग गर्न सक्छौं. त्यसैगरी use of past perfect tense. past perfect tense को प्रयोग विगतमा केही समय भन्दा पहिले पूर्ण भएको कार्यलाई जनाउन. विगतमा केही समय भन्दा पहिले नै पूर्ण भएको कार्यलाई जनाउन को लागि past perfect tense को प्रयोग गरिन्छ भने past perfect continuous tense ले त्यो कार्य अभिव्यक्ति गर्दछ जुन विगतमा कतै सुरु भएको थियो र विगतमा केही समयको लागि जारी रहन्छ. भनेको विगतमा कुनै पनि काम भइरहेको तर त्यो काम समाप्त नभएको र त्यो काम चाहिँ कन्टिन्यू भइरहेको विगतमा पास्टमा चाहिँ त्यस्तो कुरालाई पास्ट पर्फेक्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्स ले जनाउँदछ. It is the time for checking the answer asked before starting the chapter. So check your answer. Number 1. They pulled down the old cottages into simple past.
They pulled the old cottages.
Good. He built a luxury hotel. Past continuous tense.
He was building a luxury hotel.
Right answer. Number 3. You have cut down the trees.
You had cut down the trees.
Right answer. Number 4. I am writing a book on grammar.
I had been writing a book on grammar.
Dear students, it's time for homework now. So write the questions in your copy. Put the correct form of the verbs to complete the following sentences. Put the correct form of the verbs to complete the following sentences. निम्नलिखित वाक्यलाई पूरा गर्नको लागि कोष्ठमा दिएको क्रियाको सही प्रयोग गर्नुहोस्. 1. You go, go, small bracket भित्र go to office yesterday. Number 2, C start, S-T-A-R-T, start, small bracket भित्र school in 1984. Number 3, I small bracket start, L-E-A-V-E, leave, small bracket close, the office early last night. Number 4, while I B-E-B, small bracket भित्र B-E-B, while I be writing a letter, comma, he asked me to help, full stop. Number 5, while they were planting rice, it R-A-I-N, rain, small bracket भित्र R-A-I-N, rain, hard, H-A-R-D, hard, full stop. Number 5 again, while they were planting rice, it R-A-I-N, rain, small bracket भित्र it rain, H-A-R-D, hard, full stop. Thank you, my dear students, for listening carefully. Hope you learned a lot. Next time we will learn about future tense. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.
सीता निरौला मिसलाई धन्यवाद। कार्यक्रम कस्तो लाग्यो त? आजको बसाइ पनि सिकेमूलक बन्यो होला। कार्यक्रम सुन्दै प्रश्न तथा जिज्ञासाको टिप्पण गर्नुभयो कि होला, होइन त? प्रश्न तथा जिज्ञासा अंग्रेजी सिके रेडियो कार्यक्रमको फेसबुक पेज @RADIOEDUCATION SPF को इनबक्समा र RADIOPROGRMSPF@gmail.com मा पठाउन सक्नुहुनेछ। प्रश्न तथा जिज्ञासाको समाधान सहित थप सिकाइको लागि भोलिको कार्यक्रममा पुनः भेट हुनेछ। पठन पाठनको क्रममा कुनै जिज्ञासा भए निम्न ठेगानामा सम्पर्क गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। ठेगाना र सम्पर्क टिप्न तयार हुनुहोस् है। ह्युमेन प्र्याक्टिस फाउन्डेसन, फोङलिङ नगरपालिका 4, ताप्लेजुङ। फोन नम्बर 024 461 047। हवस् त, आगामी अङ्कमा पुनः भेट हुनेछ। म अम्बिका हाङबाङ बिदा हुन्छु। नमस्ते। सामाजिक दूरी कायम गरौँ, कोरोना भाइरसबाट बचौँ र बचाउँ। धन्यवाद।